Welcome back to my channel, you crew. We got this box from Summit. We're going to open this up and see what's in it. And I had a friend work with me on this box, and it's a programmable MSD. You use your laptop to program it, and it's really interesting on everything you get to do on it. So let's open up the box and see what's in it. Okay, what we got is a pair of strange Chenway adjustable shocks. They're not exactly for a Ranger truck, but I measured them, and they're 20-inch, 21-inch extension, 14-inch compression, and because they're a Fox body shock, they have this stud up on top. But you know, there's a price difference of the truck shock compared to the Fox body shock, so I went with the Fox body shock. I think it'll work the same. So besides the shocks and then trying to get this box installed with all the wiring, hooking up the relays for the fuel pump, fan, and water pump, this place has gotten to be a mess. I'm also working on this thing here, and I had to get the carburetor part, and it's a Honda. Working on it is like working on darn Honda cars. It's terrible. All the stuff you got to take apart in order to get the carburetor off. But it's something to do.